Hey crafty friends, Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts. In this video I'm going to show you 3D easy peel stickers with my Cricut Explorer 5, and I'm using Cricut printable vinyl from the Lucky Charm mystery box. I'll also be adding the waterproof laminate to it. That is sold separately. This is a really fun project, and I love these puffy look 3D easy peel stickers. So let's get started. This is an easy peel sticker project that I created previously and shared on my Design Space profile. At the time, there weren't as many puffy Easter stickers in Design Space. I found I have a few duplicates in here, but I found some other ones I'd like to change up. So at the same time, I'll show you how easy it is to do easy peel with the create sticker option. So I'm going to go up to edit, select a sticker, click on sticker. Thickness comes up as a standard border. I prefer a thin border. That's in Cricut. Then and white, of course. Then I'll switch over to die cut, and it automatically uses thin, which was my first selection. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So I'm just going to size it down to 2.19 or close. 2.19. There we go. I'm going to take this one away, which is a duplicate, and I'll add this one in. There we go. And this one I'll delete. I only want to print one page of these. So I'll do this one now. Click on sticker. Again, change it to a thin border for Cricut. Go to die cut. Once again, I see the thickness is thin already, and we'll keep it like that. I'm going to change it to 2.19. And I'll take away this one. No, we'll take away this one. Not that it matters which one, just one of the duplicates. I'll align those all after I'm done. And let's do this one. We'll click on sticker, change to a thin border for Cricut, go to die cut to confirm the thickness is also thin, and that's it. Then I'll just change the size. The sticker feature is a Cricut Access feature. So if you have Access feature, it's so easy to make these stickers in Design Space. Let's take away this duplicate and we'll replace it with this one. And I'll delete that one. We'll make sure these are all aligned. Align center horizontally. I'll take this group. Align center horizontally. I'm going to attach these, so I want to make sure they're all aligned in rows so they fit perfectly on my printer sheet. We'll get these aligned, center vertically, get these aligned. Again, get these aligned. Just making sure everything is lined up properly so that it cuts well. Center vertically. Then I'll select all of these. And by the way, we have the select all option back in Design Space. If you right click, select all, it works beautifully. At one point it was up on the top toolbar. Now it's on right click. And I will attach. There we go. I'm going to close this panel. I'm using my Explorer 5. I'll click Make. You can see that they fit beautifully on my sheet for printing. I won't mirror, of course, their stickers. I'll click Continue. Send to printer. Next. I like to use System Dialog Box because I like to set up my print quality. We'll go Print. There's my System Dialog Box. I'm going to click on Layout. Scroll down for Printer Options, Printer Features. I'm going to use Print Quality and take High Quality. I want them to be super nice. My granddaughter loves stickers. I think she shares them with her friends at school and hands them out to all her best friends. We'll click OK. I need to change to my 2800, which I use with regular ink, and I will print. And I'm going to choose Waterproof Sticker Set White Holographic as my material. I'm going to switch to my overhead camera and I'll show you the stickers, how to add the laminate, and we'll cut them with the new Explore 5. So here are the images all printed out, and I used Cricut printable vinyl. I will be adding a laminate sheet on top to make them durable and shiny. That'll be so cute. I'm using the printable vinyl 50 sheet pack that came in the Lucky Charm mystery box. At the time that I'm recording this video, there are still some mystery boxes left available, so I'll add a link for those in the description under this video in case you missed it or you hesitated to order it. It's still available. I'll also add a link for the laminate sheets that sell alone. So let's put this out of the way. Okay, I'm going to take a light grip mat to use with my printable vinyl. This is a new mat, so I'm not going to put a lot of pressure on my graphic. I don't want it to be too stuck to the mat. And I'm just going to line it up here. I like to put it on the mat before I add the laminate just to make sure that it doesn't shift. I'll just press it gently on. The laminate sheets have this extra tab that you can peel off at the top, and it really helps to align the laminate sheet. I love that idea. So the easiest way I found to add it is just to align it at the bottom. If it's a little off, you're okay. That's not going to make any difference. As long as all your images are covered, we'll just put it gently over the top. As I mentioned, I don't want to put too much pressure on this mat. It's too new. And then we're just going to lift the backing, and we're going to peel it slowly, pressing gently. You can use a scraper, but I found that it sometimes scratches the laminate. So I like to do it just with my hand, to smooth it out gently with my hand. And we'll check for air bubbles after, if we need to rub them out. Just gently. And see, by aligning the bottom first and then lining that top tab that you've exposed, it goes on really easily and really nice and clean. And there we go. We have the laminate sheet all applied. I'm just going to make sure there's no bubbles. As I mentioned, you can use a scraper if you prefer to do this, but I'm always worried that it might scratch the laminate, so I do it by hand. And there we go, the laminate is all applied. So my Explore 5 is ready to cut these stickers. I'm just going to add my mat and press go. And there we go, all done. So I'm just going to unload my mat. push this out of the way. And I'm just going to lift the material off my mat. I imagine it's still stuck even though I was gentle with it because it is a brand new mat. I usually use a gently used mat when I use printable vinyl to make sure it doesn't stick. These turned out beautifully. Get rid of that. And these are easy peels, so if you've done them before, you must know how they work. So you have two cuts. You have the sticker cut and you have the die cut. So we're just going to fold gently and pull off the excess material and hope it doesn't stick all over you. And now you have an easy peel sticker. Terrific. So as I mentioned, I'll put links for all the materials for the Explore 5 discount info, everything in the description under this video, including the mystery box, because at the time of this recording, the mystery box is available in Cricut Shop. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.